Cicada and the Fox. On a hot summer day, a cicada was singing on top of the tree. Oh, I'm so hungry. That cicada will be a great meal. But it's too high. How can I catch that cicada? Oh, I got this. Hello there. You are really good, great singer. Your voice is beautiful and it makes me so happy. Oh, really? Thank you. I'm glad to hear you like it. I wish I could sing as well as you. Why don't I give you some food and you teach me to sing? You want me to come down there? Why not? I want to hear you sing a little closer. Okay then, I'll be right there. I'll be waiting for you. I'm a genius. What is this? Leaves? I knew it. Do you think I fall for the trick? Well, I once saw a cicada wings in fox poop. I haven't believed foxes since then. No way I'm getting down there.